Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about truncation and wildcards. Doesn't it sound weird? But let's get started. I'll show you truncation and wildcards. Here we go. Truncation. Truncation refers to this star, exclamation mark, question mark, or this hash, this dollar sign, generally used at the end of a word root to find plurals and variations. Then I know you're not understanding. Let's get to examples. We have compute. Just compute with a star up. So this word compute can mean, this star can mean other more letters that can make this word compute meaningful. You can add different versions of letters here and you're able to read it. So you can find this compute, you can add it compt with star, you can add e, you read it as compute. You can add er from the star to read computer. You can add ers, computers, or you can add ing, which is computing. This is a truncation. You truncate it, you put the star, you just truncated it, but it can be this star here just stands for letters that you're unable to see but can form other meaningful words. We have warning. Using too few letters, for example, cat, star, can lead to too many irrelevant results. I think you've got that. Now we come to wildcards. At first I'd mentioned wildcards, but it's wildcards. We have question mark, hash, used within a word to replace a single character. Use within a word to replace a single character. That means, maybe let's go to example for you to understand. Wildcards, exclamation marks, exclamation mark, and a hash. For example, color, this color, then they put a hash in it. It can be used within a word to replace a single character. That means only one letter is missing. So let's find the letter that will fit in this hash that can be read. We have found that it's U, so it was U missing. So since we have found the U, we can now read its what? Color. Example 2, we have with a question mark, P question mark, diatric. We have to find the letter which is missing here. We have found to be E, so we can read it as pediatric or pediatric. That's what we have found. Then we have database variations. Symbols and rules vary significantly between database. When symbols and rules vary significantly, importantly, for example, library catalogs, we have EBSCO or OVID. So check the specific help or this. I think this has brought us to the end of truncation and wildcards. Remember that when you're truncating, you're adding several words. Of course, some letters have been cancelled. You're adding many more letters to create a meaning to a specific word. We saw it from here, this star. Then when it comes to wildcards, we have question marks that replace only one. Remember, truncating replaces many, but wildcards replaces only one. That will make that makes them different in that way. Truncate, you cut. To truncate is like to cut. Then wildcards is to fix. They have cut here many letters, but wildcards only one. Do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.